The General Ledger Cross-Reference Maintenance screen allows users to build and maintain the accounting segments necessary to interface retail invoice matching transactions to external financial systems. To create a General Ledger account cross-reference, from the Tasks menu, select Foundation, GL Cross-Reference. The GL Cross-Reference window opens. From the Search Results pane of the GL Cross-Reference window, select Create from the Action menu. The GL Cross-Reference Maintenance window opens. In the Set of Books ID field, enter the identifier that applies to this cross-reference. Note, if there is only one set of books set up in RMS, this field is populated automatically. In the Cross-Reference Type field, select the account category. Valid values include basic transactions, non-merchandise codes, and reason code actions. In the Transaction Code field, enter the transaction code for the new GL cross-reference. Valid values for basic transactions include credit note non-dynamic item, fixed deal income receivable, complex deal income receivable, prepaid asset, receipt write-off, trade accounts payable non-dynamic item, tax acquisition offset, tax acquisition, tax non-dynamic item, tax reverse charge, tax reverse offset, unmatched receipt, variance calc tolerance, variance calc tax tolerance, variance within tolerance. For a non-merchandise cross-reference type, use the RMS non-merchandise codes as valid values. For a reason code action cross-reference type, use the following. The transaction code is sequentially assigned in add mode. This transaction code is used in reason code maintenance to assign a specific accounting entry to a reason code. The structure allows for one reason code action transaction code to be used by multiple reason codes, reducing setup time. Next, fill in the tax code field. In the tax code field, enter the tax code associated with the GL cross-reference. Note, this field is disabled except when a tax transaction code is used. The General Ledger segments are highly configurable and provide the ability to map invoice match transaction codes back to the retailer's chart of accounts. 4 of the segments can be defined as dynamic, enabling the segments to vary based on the location within the document and the department and class of items associated with the documents. Click Save to save your changes. Alternatively, from the drop-down menu, select Save and Close to save your changes and close the window, or Save and Add Another to save your changes and add an additional GL cross-reference.